To check in-call and media speaker function on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Under phone section, tap phone diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. Tap speaker to start the test. To test the in-call speaker function, tap play button and hold your phone close to your ear. You will be asked whether or not you can hear the sound from the speaker. If you can hear the sound, tap yes. Next, to test media speaker function, hold your phone up, face the screen, and then tap the play button. You will be asked whether or not you can hear the sound from the speaker. If you can hear the sound, tap yes. As the result, your phone will inform you that the in-call and media speaker function on your phone are normal. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.